Hi, welcome to the Cooking with Mahtab channel. I am here with an easy and quick chicken stew tutorial, very delicious and tasty. Just look at the color and appearance of this delicious stew. Stay with me and let's make it together. To start, pour some oil into a suitable pot and add 2 finely chopped medium onions. Sauté them until soft and translucent. As shown in the video, place your chicken pieces in the pot and fry both sides along with the onion for 5 minutes each until they change color. Make sure the stove heat is medium-high so your chicken doesn't release water and gets properly fried. Once the chicken is sautéed, for an extra fragrance and flavor in the stew, optionally add 4 grated or finely chopped garlic cloves and sauté for 1 minute until the garlic aroma is released. Next, add half a teaspoon each of black pepper, turmeric, and optionally paprika and sauté the spices for 2 minutes. Now add 1½ tablespoons of tomato paste and sauté well to eliminate the raw taste and bring out the color, making it vibrant. Next, add salt to taste. I added 1/2 teaspoon of salt along with 2 cinnamon sticks and 10 dried plums. This removes the chicken smell and gives an extraordinary flavor to your stew. Now just pour boiling water, enough to cover your chicken pieces. Don't add too much water or your stew will become tasteless. Close the lid of the pot. Reduce the heat and allow 1½ to 2 hours for your chicken to cook completely. After 2 hours, this is the result. A remarkable, delicious, colorful, and appetizing stew that pairs wonderfully with rice and Shirazi salad. I hope you make it and enjoy eating it. Bon appétit! If you are interested in my cookbooks, the link is in the bio. I would be happy to hear your thoughts. Subscribe to Cooking Channel with Mahtab for more Iranian dishes because I post an amazing dish every day.